So apart from the AirPods Max, the next best AirPods you can get out there are the AirPods Pro and also the AirPods 3. But what are the differences between the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pros? Are there any actual benefits in getting the AirPods Pro over the AirPods 3 or getting the AirPods 3 over the Pro? Well, today I'm going to reveal all in doing an AirPods 3 versus an AirPods Pro specs review just for you. Hi guys, it's Matt here. So that's right, today I want to do a comparison of the AirPods 3 versus the AirPods Pro in their specs and basically which ones are best for you. Well, let's get started. So then, on the left hand side we have the AirPods 3 and on the right hand side we have the AirPods Pro. Well, let's get started with this comparison review. So starting off with spatial audio, both of these AirPods actually have spatial audio now, so the AirPods 3 have got this and so have the AirPods Pro, and this also comes with head tracking, so if you turn your head round and tilt it and things like this towards the actual device that you're looking at, the actual sound will move around. It's got that head tracking built in. Next of all is active noise cancellation. Now the AirPods 3 don't actually come with active noise cancellation, but the AirPods Pro do. So if you do really want that active noise cancellation, so not hearing other sounds out and about, it is the AirPods Pro for you on this one. Next of all, then we've got adaptive EQ. Both of these AirPods have got this built in now, so that's really good. And then next of all is transparency mode. So this is actually leaking in some sound from the outside, especially when people are getting a bit more closer. The AirPods 3 do not actually have this ability, but the AirPods Pro do have this ability. Then moving on to sweat and water resistance. So both of the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro now have IPX4. So basically this means that they can get a little bit wet with some rainwater on them, or for example if you got yourself a little bit sweaty, they're not actually going to damage these AirPods. So it's really good to see that both of the models actually have this. Then for chipset, both of these AirPods 3 have that brand new H1 chipset that was introduced a couple of years ago, so it's good to see that both of them have got this capability inside them. Then we've got Siri Capabilities, and both of the AirPods have Siri Capabilities by shouting out "Hey Siri," and also at the same time as well you can do a long stem press on either of these AirPods on one of the stems, and basically you can pull up Siri that way as well. Next of all is the skin detect sensor. This has only just been introduced with the AirPods 3. When they're put into your ear, it detects that they've been put in there, and basically only the AirPods 3 have got this. The AirPods Pro don't actually have this. Next of all is dual optical sensors, and the AirPods 3 do not come with this, but the AirPods Pro do. Moving on, you've got conversation boost, and this is something that Apple introduced at WWDC 2021. Only the AirPods Pro actually have this capability, but the AirPods 3 do not. And then next of all, we have the Silicone Ear tips, and this is to basically change it for your size of your ears, of your ear canals. You can do this with the AirPods Pro, but the AirPods 3 is just one size. So just quickly, while we're doing all these specs and bits and pieces for the AirPods, I want to talk about the giveaway on this channel. It is an international giveaway for this. It's for an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky subscriber when we get over 300,000 subscribers. And all I want to know from you guys in the comments below to enter in is put down what Apple gear you're planning to buy within the next year. Put it down in the comments below, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because when we get over 300,000 subscribers, and only when we get over 300,000 subscribers, I'll be announcing who the winner is, and you won't want to miss that notification for that. So make sure you do that. Also at the same time, if you do get a comment coming up on one of your comments saying you've won a prize or something like this, and it shows a picture of me and WhatsApp me to find out, it's not me, it's a scammer. Like I said, only when we get over 300,000 subscribers will I be revealing who the winner is of any prize we're doing on this channel, especially for this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also at the same time guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please also do press the like button. Right, let's get back to those specs. Well, next of all, let's talk about charging capability. So the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro both have the identical charging capabilities. So they can be charged by a lightning cable at the bottom of them if you have that for your iPhone. And also if you do have yourself an iPhone 12 or later and you have a MagSafe, you can actually charge and connect them by this as well. And also other kind of sort of wireless chargers out there, you can put the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro on this. Next is the battery life per stem or per AirPod, each one. So with the AirPods 3, we actually get up to a 6-hour battery life, and then with the AirPods Pro we get a 4.5-hour battery life. The AirPods 3 actually has a bigger battery life because they're a bit more newer, so technology has moved on a little bit more there. So if you do want the longer battery life, AirPods 3 is the way to go. And that is also being shown from the battery life from the actual case as well. So the AirPods 3 now has an up to 30-hour charge inside it, so you can charge up your AirPods 3 up to 30 hours of battery juice inside it, whereas the AirPods Pro has up to 24 hours instead. We next of all have the weight per the actual stem or per the actual AirPod. So with the AirPods 3, the actual stem actually weighs 4.28 grams, so that's just the one AirPod. And then for the AirPods Pro, just one AirPod or one stem, whatever you want to call it, weighs 5.4 grams. Then moving on with the weight with the case, so this is with the AirPods actually inside their cases. The AirPods 3 comes in at 37.91 grams, whereas the AirPods Pro comes in at 45.6 grams. So you can see here the AirPods Pro are slightly heavier, but there isn't that much in it. For Bluetooth technology, both these AirPods have the exact same. So this is Bluetooth 5.0 and this is for the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro. Then prices, and this is where some big changes here. So the AirPods 3 start in at $179 US, whereas the AirPods Pro stay in at $249 US. And then finally for colours, there's only one colour available for both the AirPods, and that is just the standard Apple White. So, will you be buying some new AirPods? So as you can see, the AirPods 3 do give tremendous value over the AirPods Pro. Yes, the AirPods Pro are a little more better. They've got a few extra features inside them, but the AirPods 3 will be brilliant for most people. And also remember that important factor there. The AirPods 3 actually have a better battery life than the AirPods Pro. And also remember, in the near future, there will be some AirPods Pro 2 coming along. But the only thing I can say about that is make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to find out more information about it. Well, at the same time, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press that like button. And like I just said, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. Until next time, guys, I will see you really soon. Bye bye.